So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is David Fredrickson, and today's video we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm smiling because I got some product. I call it a gift box from Nutra Innovations. I don't know what's inside. I'm gonna open it up here real quick. They've got some jamming products coming out on their website, so I'm just curious to see what they sent me. Let's see here. First is gonna be, I wanted to try this. This is their essential amino acid blend. So I'm gonna actually put mine on the side to give this one a shot. And the reason why I wanted to try this is it has those C minerals in it, those highly absorbable minerals to actually help with recovery. And it's kind of hard to find products that have that in it as far as in an essential amino acid complex. So I don't want to do a review on it now because I haven't tried it, but this is coming up. This will be a review. And then what we got here? We got pump therapy. We all need that pump. And that's what it looks like. If you go on their website, you can check it out. And it's only about 4 ingredients. So I've been browsing their website ever since I tried their testosterone. And I've been kind of fancying, if you could say that, their products. And this is awesome because I'm definitely going to try this out. Give a review for you guys. It's got some very good ingredients in it. And what's this? Epitome. It's their pre-workout. Nice. Now they have this one and they have a hardcore version. I've already checked these out. That's all the stuff's in my head as far as ingredients and pre-workouts. And I believe this has rhodiogenesis in it. It doesn't have any DHMA or DMAA, so it doesn't have anything harsh. And this one I wanted to try really bad because it has a fast-acting caffeine in it and a slow-acting caffeine along with regular caffeine. So with some good quality pump ingredients in it as far as the amounts. So can't wait to try this and give you guys a review on it. And then, what's last? Oh, 24-hour pump. That's what that sucker looks like. Can't wait to review this for you guys. This is only 3 ingredients, and I've looked it up. It's basically for cell volumization, and it's got a arginase inhibitor in it that actually is supposed to help arginine work better in your body, and it's supposed to really swell you throughout the whole day. So nice. Thanks, guys, and those will be coming soon. I do have to finish one more day so I can give you guys an honest review on a product that I've never tried that I wanted to try. I've always wanted to try it, and I'm always looking for that bodybuilder pre-workout. So I saw the ingredients on this, running it one more day to give you guys an honest opinion. That's going to be wrecked, and that's going to come probably in the next couple days. So thanks for stopping by. Can't wait to see you guys when I hit these reviews. Yeah. You guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.